Hoover niggas on that tonight or what, bro?
Yeah.
Niggas brought chili out on Hoover. That's what we on tonight. That's on Hoover. Them niggas ain't ready, go on Hoover. I'm shutting shit down. I'm shutting the party down, go. We shutting the party down tonight. Oh, Hoover I am, nigga. Dead homies. D, come on, bring that shit, go.
Bring 10.
Bring that shit, crib.
Bring that 10 piece. Bring that 10 piece.
On Hoover niggas taking 10 pieces tonight on dead homies. Fuck is they talking about?
Someone gonna take it, and I feel like it's gonna be me.
Man, that's on Hoover. We can split the 10 piece, go. It's enough for us.
We
can split. Look at Goo laughing. That's so Hoover. Bring that shit out tonight, Goo.
It's enough for the shadies to take over.
Bring that shit out tonight, Goo.
Tell
them bring that shit out, nigga.
Tell them I should get some of that too on Hoover.
That's on Hoover. It's enough for us all tonight. Tell Goo bring his winnings.
On Hoover, bring it. Or bring a dub if you want.
Hoover. It's enough for us all. Yeah, that's so Hoover. Yeah. That's so Hoover, Goo. Tell him bring that shit out, bro.
Yeah. Big money shit.
Where's Hoover? Hey,
man,
so
money,
man. We can make Trey Hoover, man.
Nigga.
That's the 80s shit, though.
Yeah, nigga, Shady 80
make Trey Hoover, though, nigga.
Nigga.
Put it on Hoover.
We taking their Hoovers all night.
Where's Hoover, homie?
Taking their shit all night, bro.
What? Shit on the dead homies.
We taking their shit all night, bro.
It ain't nothing. Take their money.
It's a show on Hoover, niggas. I saw
Big
Hoover,
money shady.
Where's Hoover, homie? Where niggas at, bro?
I'm in the set. Where you at?
I'm in the set too. Go off finna cut my hair. Go off finna
That's all Hoover. I'm right here in the 90s, man.
You feel me? Off white, everything, goof.
You said what?
I'm over
Little
here.
man, where you at?
Man, you know where I'm at. I just told you, Goo. What's up? Is we going or what?
Yeah, I'm finna just cut my hair real quick.
I just told you where to meet me at, bro.
That's what I'm saying, Goo, but I'm trying to get my shit cut, and then after that, we can H-up over there.
Are you bullshit? All right, on hold, man. I'm gonna call you when we get off this shit.
You hear me?
On hold,
man. I'm low. Hey, what's up with my white boy, Goo? Where you at?
See, I'm in the set right now.
The homie got the Montclair and all this shit.
You see, Goo? Look at Goo, bro.
Look at Goo.
And I got
Look at Goo.
Look at Goo on Hoover, Goo. Hey, man, show all the white boys from different hoods on West Side Hoover, all white boys up to Port. Look at Goo on Hoover. You hear me?
He said our white boy up to Port, Goo. That's
our white boy up to Port. Dead homies, look at Goo.
Get it done up.
On Hoover, Goo.
It's how you supposed to
be chasing chili, man. Yeah, homies. We big chasing chili, man.
Yeah, money
bands,
That's so Hoover, nigga.
Tell the sissy show 100 bands right now. We can do it.
On birds, Goo. That's what I'm saying, Goo.
Tell them we can do it.
Tell them they can show 100 piece.
On birds.
Tell them they can show 100 piece.
It's more than 100, just between us.
We can do it.
It's more than 100.
Hoover,
Groove, my young nigga Groove. Go, look at Groove on Hoover, Groove. Groove in the Benz, Montclair.
And I'm sagging through the set.
Groove, and I'm sagging through the set. Look at Groove. He said, and I'm sagging through the set. Look at Groove.
Oh, birds.
Shit,
I'm on Fed, Groove.
Man, so is we going right now, or are you about to wait?
Shit, I'm gonna wait for like at least another like 5 minutes, Groove. If this nigga don't pull up, we can H up, bro. I gotta go get dressed, go get all the way up to Port, Groove.
Who you about to have cut your shit?
Oh shit, my boy right here.
You about to get